HALO-100 maintenance tutorial. Found this oil bottle in YouTube. It's filled with silicone oil. Add silicone oil to the upper spring of the needle lever. Then the lower spring of the needle lever. Then with the cotton pads underneath. As long as the pad is wet. It's hard to add silicone oil to the needle one. You can tap this button and then tap number 12. There's an oil cup here. Also need to add silicone oil. It will be sucked into the drive block. The machine works for a long time. The suspension will dry out. Without oil, it will make noise. Then spray it with this spray can. Then put the cover back on. Before adding yellow grease, remove the bottom cover. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the first screws. There are 2 more screws in this position. But it's not easy to unscrew them now. You need to push the driver. Now can take off the board. Next, remove the side cover. Use a 1.5 mm inner hexagon to pull out the cover. Unscrew the screws inside. You can loosen this screw, then turn the screen. After loosening the 2 screws, you can take it off. Use a 3 mm inner hexagon to unscrew this screw. Remove this screw with a 4 mm inner hexagon. This is the screw for laser positioning. It's not easy to unscrew in this position. You can adjust the position of the color change motor. There are 2 more screws under the sponge. Then pull the drive forward to the bottom. Remove the side cover. Be careful when removing the side cover. There are wires in this position. You need to unplug these wires. The other side can be taken off directly. Now remove the cover of the driver. Then push the driver back a little bit. You need to apply yellow grease here. And inside the cam of the color change motor. Rotate the color change motor. Turn it around so that the yellow grease is evenly spread inside. Unscrew the 2 screws here. Add yellow grease here as well. Don't forget close the cover. Tighten the screws. This cam needs yellow grease too. This white drive needs silicone oil. The other side is the same. This long strip is the bearing guide shaft. It needs yellow grease. There's another one on the other side. After greasing this side, pull this drive to the right. And then the other side. The maintenance is complete. Now put the cover back on. Pull the drive forward. Put the side cover on. Next, plug in the wires. The 2 long wires on the right are the same. Take one and connect it to the short one on the right, and the other one to the left one. Take off the piece of iron that you just took off. Put this screw in first. The screw is here. Don't tighten the screw. Put the wires into it. Close the side cover. Find the hole on the plate and screw it in. Then both sides need to tighten. Now install the screws of the side cover. Don't tighten the screws yet. If this position is not easy to screw, you can turn the color change motor. After installing all 4 screws on the side, and then tighten it. After the screws are tightened, you can fasten the small cover. Now install the other side. Turn the color change motor so that the needle lever goes to the right. Be careful to put the black rubber pad in this position. Keep tightening the screws. Put the covers on. Install the laser positioner. Now install the drive cover. Screw on the other side as well. After tightening, you can fasten the cover. Now can install the lower cover. After tightening the screws, the cover is installed. Maintenance of HALO-100 is completed.